Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a beautiful animated progress ring in Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a visually appealing progress indicator, perfect for dashboards, health trackers, or any project where you want to show progress in a stylish way. We'll cover every step in detail, so even if you're new to Figma, you'll be able to follow along and make this yourself. Okay, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing we're going to do is create the base of our progress ring. In Figma, just grab the ellipse tool and make a perfect circle. You can hold shift while you drag to keep it perfectly round. Next, let's choose a color that'll pop but stay pleasant to the eyes. I recommend going with a gentle, mild green. This gives your progress ring a fresh and modern look, and it's subtle enough not to be distracting. Once you have your circle, the magic happens in the Appearance panel. Over in the right sidebar, you'll see an area to adjust the stroke. We want our ring to look perfectly circular, so set the radius to 50%. This makes sure your ring traces around the exact edge of the shape like a track circling a stadium. Now comes the progress part. Look for the sweep property. Think of this like the size of a slice of pie you're showing. To start, set the sweep to 50%. That means half the ring will be colored, showing 50% progress. Don't worry, we'll be building on this to show different amounts, making it dynamic. Here's a key step. Make 2 copies of your circle. You can copy and paste them right on top. Now take the first copy and change its sweep to 75%. Notice how more of the ring fills in. For the second copy, crank the sweep all the way up to 100%. Now the full ring is colored, like you've completely finished a task. What we're doing here is creating multiple versions of the progress ring to show different completion stages. Don't worry if your canvas is starting to look a bit messy. Figma makes it easy to tidy up. Select all 3 of your rings at once. You can do this by shift-clicking them or dragging a box around them. Now with them all selected, right-click and create a new component set. This is really important. Components let you swap between different states in your design, so you can show off the animation or interactive feel you want. With your component set made, it's time to add interactivity. Head over to the Prototype tab, which lets you add interactions. On each state, set it so that when you click, it changes instantly to the next. This makes your progress ring update when the user interacts, like moving from 50 to 75% complete. Patiently repeat this process for each version, so each state transitions instantly to the next. If you're new to components and prototyping in Figma, don't worry, just take it one clickable shape at a time, and you'll see how the flow comes together. Once those links are set up, move over to your Assets panel. From here, simply drag the component you just built onto a frame in your workspace. Now click that big Present or Preview button at the top to see your progress ring in action. Try clicking, you'll see your ring brilliantly update to each different stage. It's super satisfying. And that's it, you've just created a dynamic progress ring in Figma, ready to use in any UI design. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more clear Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.